Today we've been fixing bikes and learning how to be safe on the road.
We've learned how to fix punctures and to always check your bike before you go on the road.
I learned today where the wires go and how to, tighten the brakes and stuff like that. Fixing a bike is useful because it's a form of transportation, because I'm not old enough to, drive a car or anything like that. So if anything happens, like when I'm riding, it's always useful, and I think every child should learn how to fix a bike.